Alright, alright, alright. We are back, guys, for number 4. Now, finally, after I've done being an absolute idiot, we are going to go to a very important... That's not me. That's not me. Hear anything. Still a problem with the textures. That's not biggie. We are going to go racing over here. Completely lock up our non-ABS vehicle. Big time marks in front of the windover. Yeah, so this vehicle is actually the 30k challenge vehicle. If you want to see how I did that with profit, or profit, under budget, I suggest you go and watch the previous episode. We're doing this whole thing again. Follow your ramp. Another 600 bucks. I'm telling you, easiest way to make money is literally play the game like you play Need for Speed. Get chased by the cops all the time. And my god, am I good at getting chased by the cops in Need for Speed. I had that. I could report that. You'd be damaged forever. I had no sympathy for those cars. Oh baby, it's open. So as you can see, there's no barriers here now. So we should be able to just, without the game lagging, crashing. Okay. Come on, old girl. Alright, boys. Welcome to Italy. There's the game. Loads. I might be spending more time over here than West Coast. Just buying properties and stuff. If the game will hold. Come on. There's a lot of resources, it seems. Ah, I wasn't lagging in the first place. Alright. Game just decided it was killing my car. Oh this thing and then you see this tiny little thing. Bloody P50. Insurance, $800 for insurance. Holy mother friend. Ooh, scintilla. Polizia. Fuck you, Polizia. Ooh, customary drifts. Out of the way. Park up over here. Let's see what we have on this map. Hello. There's water. Yeah. Now, I believe place to wait or stay bullets from. Otherwise we are going to have to purchase. So here's a bit there. Work from here. Absolute menace to society. Very nice building, very nice. Just trying to play with me. Please just go like this. Okay. Little tires. Stuck. I'm gonna have to purchase this place. We have this place. Hey, let's go around one more time. It's in here. Yep, it's in here. This is only a one car, but at least it's something. See now. Do we have to purchase this place? Oh, we don't. Awesome. And we've got all our needs met. So, yeah. Just a short episode showing you where we will be doing our nonsense from, getting up to mischief. This whole area here is the reason why I probably won't be spending too much time at West Coast. I do actually have another vehicle idea too. Okay. Okay, so instant selling actually gets you some things there. Oh well, this will be me signing it off for next episode. I shall see you whenever with my trusty Steve.